you getting sick and burned out with the whole diet and exercise rat race? Does your workout feel more like a dead-end job and your diet feels more of an act of deprivation than anything else? If that's the case, I know exactly what you're going through because I was there myself not too long ago. My name is Matt Schifferly, and I'm the founder of the Red Delta Project. Most of these videos will cover the following topics. First one is progressive calisthenics training. So you're working towards getting your first full-on bodyweight pull-up.
Now, leg day is one of the best days. Leg workouts, especially bodyweight.
This is one of my favorite DIY calisthenics equipment projects. You don't need a gym, you don't need fancy equipment, you don't need to have superhuman strength or skills. All you need is your own body weight and maybe a place to hang, plus the information in my videos to get the best workouts of your life. You'll also find practical information about what I call healthy eating.
This whole idea of you can't outtrain a bad diet is complete nonsense. People do it all the time. One of the most beneficial things I ever did for my diet was I got rid of the whole cheat day thing. A diet that leads to cravings, hunger, and chronic deprivation is the exact opposite of what a healthy diet is for.
Fitness should become something that enhances your quality of life rather than compromises it. But in the rat race to do everything bigger and better and louder and just work our tail off, it's actually heading us in the wrong direction. So that's why I come out with between 3 to 4 videos every single week that are simple, practical takeaways that you can apply immediately to not only get in better shape, but to help your fitness habits enhance your quality of life rather than compromise it. So if that sounds good to you, give that subscribe button down there a good smack and be sure to turn on the notifications so you don't miss a single episode. Talk to you guys on the other side. Till then, be fit, live free.